Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn banner using Canva and upload it to your profile. Having a professional, eye-catching banner is a great way to make a strong first impression and showcase your personal brand on LinkedIn. First, open your browser and navigate to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it to start a new design. From the options that appear, select Banner. This will open up Canva's design workspace specifically sized for banner creation. Now that you're in the editor, look again to the left side panel and click on Templates. This section is packed with professionally designed layouts that you can customize to fit your needs. In the search bar at the top of the Templates panel, type LinkedIn Banner. This will filter the results to show you templates specifically optimized for LinkedIn's banner dimensions, ensuring your design fits perfectly on your profile. Browse through the available templates and find one that suits your style and professional image. Once you've made your choice, click on the template to load it into your workspace. Now comes the fun part, customizing it to make it truly yours. Click on the text elements within the template to edit them. Replace the placeholder text with your own name, tagline, or any message you want to convey. You can also upload your own picture by clicking on the Upload option in the left panel and selecting an image from your device. Drag and drop your photo into the design where you'd like it to appear. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to download your banner. Navigate to the top of the screen and click on Share. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click Download and then confirm by clicking Download again. This will save your newly created LinkedIn banner to your device. Give it a moment to process and complete the download. Now that your banner is ready, head over to linkedin.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Click on your profile to view it. At the top of your profile page, you'll see a camera icon overlaying your current banner area. Click on that icon, and from the menu that appears, select Add Cover Image. A new window will pop up. Click on Upload Single Photo, which allows you to choose the banner you just created. Navigate to the location where your downloaded banner is saved, select it, and click Open. Your new banner will appear in the preview. If everything looks good, click Save Changes to apply it to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully created and uploaded a custom LinkedIn banner that represents your professional brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.